how's it going? This is the kitchen fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. And for today's recipe, it is rhubarb custard pie. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So my oldest son and I just harvested this rhubarb. We're just gonna slice them thinly. Slice rhubarb into thin slices, or slice rhubarb thinly, as thin as you could. Grease your pie pan with unsalted butter and set to side. And this is 5 whole eggs, 3/4 cup of regular white sugar with 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence that we're just gonna whisk until completely combined. Now we're gonna add in 1/3 cup of flour. Then we're gonna mix it again, and then we're gonna add in another 1/3 cup of flour. And we're gonna add in 1 cup, or pour in 1 cup of heavy cream, heavy whipping cream, 33%. So in total, this is 2 cups of heavy cream. Before we add in our sliced rhubarb. If you don't have heavy cream, you can use milk. If you have heavy cream and milk, you can use both. You can use all just milk or all just heavy cream. My cat's meowing, sorry. Now we're gonna add in our rhubarb slices. Stir to combine nicely before we put it into our greased pan. Like so. Now we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit, like 1 tablespoon of flour. I'm using strong baker's flour, by the way, so but 1 tablespoon, just covering, or 2 tablespoon max. Then sprinkle the top with cinnamon sugar. You can make your own cinnamon sugar, but I bought this one. This is basically just regular sugar mixed with cinnamon. Everywhere. There you go. Now it's ready to be baked. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes depending on your oven. Take out from the oven and let cool before serving. You can chill it as well, but cool it to room temperature first.